This is day 5 of My Story in 4, and just like with our other lessons, please make sure you have the lesson from class before you actually do this assignment, because there'll be more information. This is just a review as to the key points that you need to remember. So for this assignment, you are taking the sentences that you wrote in the previous slides that have first, next, then, and finally, and you're taking those that you have corrected and you added information about your character and about your setting that we did yesterday. And now what I want you to do is you are going to type your story or handwrite your story so it is a complete paragraph. What that looks like is you'll see that my sentences don't have a break every time I have a new sentence. It continues on. Just like in a book, the paragraph, the sentences continue on until a whole new idea is started. And when that new idea is started, that's when we start a new paragraph. So what I want you to do is I want you to retype your sentences, or you can copy and paste your corrected sentences so that your sentences flow evenly across the page, and make sure that you check for capitals at the beginning of your sentence and end marks at the end of your sentence, because we want to be published writers. You will also add a title to your story. Notice mine says Our Sandcastle, and a picture. So if you're doing this on the computer, you can use a computer picture, that's fine. If you are handwriting it, which is really the best option here, it's the best way to do this because you can practice writing on the lines using the top and bottom lines correctly. You have 2 books that are fantastic for writing, because at the top there is a place for you to draw your picture, and then there are lines underneath. If you do this option, which again is my favorite option, you can practice your handwriting and your spelling this way. And then that way you're really getting further ahead in first grade because you're working so hard. So you're rewriting your story. Don't change it unless you notice that there's an error. I want to see your completed story. If you handwrite it, I want you to submit it to me through Class Dojo. If you type it in here, I will get it just like I've been getting your other assignments. So don't forget a title, a picture, and then a paragraph using the sentences you've already written.